Hi fam, welcome back to Cook with Chioma. Today we will be making egusi soup and pounded yam. Let's go to the market and get fresh ingredients for egusi and pounded yam. This yam go pound well. I like my egusi fresh and well ground. This vegetable goes sweet for the soup. I want to buy pepper, maggi and onions for the soup. This fish fresh well. These ones go bring the taste. Mint. Give me fresh cow meat, make it sweet well. Let's go back home. Welcome back to Cook with Chioma. So today we'll be making egusi soup and pounded yam. Let's prepare our fresh meat. Always wash your meat properly. Chop onions small, pound pepper fresh for flavor. Now we season the meat to make it tasty. Okay, first let's heat our pot. Now we add our seasoned meat. Now we add our fresh fish. Mix gently, we want all the flavors to combine. Let's start our egusi soup with fresh palm oil. Now we add our blended egusi. Season well with maggi, salt, onions and blended pepper. Now we add our cooked meat and fresh fish. Add the washed ugu leaves. Mix them nicely. Everything is perfect, ready to serve. Here's our pounded yam and egusi soup. Enjoy, fam. Thanks for cooking with me today. Like, comment, share and subscribe. See you next time, fam.